हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा पेपर बीएड सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। सब्जेक्ट है एनवायरनमेंट एजुकेशन। इसका सब्जेक्ट कोड है E503। ये पेपर है मई 2023 का। पेपर हमारा टोटल 40 मार्क्स का है। पेपर को 3 सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया गया है, सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी एंड सेक्शन सी। सेक्शन ए में हमारे डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं, सेक्शन बी में शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड सेक्शन सी में वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। तीनों ही सेक्शंस में चॉइस दी जाएगी अलग अलग तरह से। सेक्शन ए टोटल 24 मार्क्स का है, सेक्शन बी 8 मार्क्स का है एंड सेक्शन सी भी हमारे पास 8 मार्क्स का है। आइए पेपर देखते हैं। सेक्शन ए। सेक्शन ए में डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं। इसमें हमें टोटल 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। तीनों में इंटरनल चॉइस दी जाएगी और तीनों ही क्वेश्चंस 8 मार्क्स के होंगे। तो इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सेक्शन ए। डिस्क्राइब द फीचर्स ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल अवेयरनेस थ्रू एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन फॉर सेकेंडरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स। और what do you understand by environmental conservation? Discuss the role of school to promote conservation. Question 2. What do you mean by energy? Describe various sources of energy. Or what is the effect of mining on man and environment? Give some measures for conservation of minerals. Question 3. Discuss the resources of water. Describe the utility of water in detail. Or describe in brief the different kinds of ecosystem. सेक्शन बी हमारे पास है। इसमें शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। इस सेक्शन में हमें टोटल 8 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, जिनमें से हमें एनी 4 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। सारे क्वेश्चंस 2 मार्क्स के होंगे। देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। राइट कॉजेज ऑफ थर्मल पॉल्यूशन। Question 5. Describe the need of biodiversity. 6. Which are the values of environmental education? Question 7. Write about salient features of environmental awareness through education. Question 8. Describe the causes of deforestation. Question 9. Describe the main components of environment. Question 10. What do you understand by radioactive pollution? Question 11. Describe the harms of flood. नेक्स्ट आता है सेक्शन सी। सेक्शन सी में वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं। इस सेक्शन में टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, जिनमें से कि हमें एनी 8 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। हर क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क का होगा। देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। वैली ऑफ फ्लावर इज सिचुएटेड इन विच स्टेट? Question 13. Who has coined the term ecosystem? 14. How many layers are there in the atmosphere? Question 15. What are non-renewable resources? Question 16. Earth Day is celebrated on dash. Question 17. Give 2 reasons for the extinction of wild animals. Question 18. Give any one cause of ozone hole. Question 19. Who is chairman of Central Ganga Authority? Question 20. The reason for acid rain is the excess of dash in the atmosphere. Question 21. Forest Conservation Act was enacted in dash. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास पेपर आता है जून 2022 का। सेक्शन ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। एक्सप्लेन इकोसिस्टम, इट्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस। और व्हाट इज़ बायोडाइवर्सिटी? डिस्क्राइब इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस एंड थ्रेट्स टू इट। क्वेश्चन 2। डिस्क्राइब द एक्सप्लॉयटेशन effect of mineral resources on man and environment. Suggest its remedies. Or today world is facing the food problem. Describe its reasons and mention few effective measures. Question 3. Why is disaster management considered as the important environmental priority? Discuss the role of schools in promoting it among the society. Or describe the role of school in environmental conservation and sustainable development. Next है section B. Section B में question number 4. Discuss the need of environmental awareness to everyone in the society. Question 5. Discuss on water in crisis. Question 6. Discuss the food web's approach. Question 7. Describe the hazardness of waste disposal. Question 8. Write the 4 causes of deforestation. Question 9. Mention on seminar as one method of imparting environmental education. Question 10. Comment on sustainable development. Question 11. What is genetic diversity? Give examples. फिर नेक्स्ट आता है सेक्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. What is rain water harvesting? Question 13. What is Forest Conservation Act? Question 14. What do you mean by renewable energy sources? Question 15. World Environment Day is observed on dash. Question 16. Write the full form of COVID-19. Question 17. There is difficulty in supply of which gas for corona patients? Question 18. Define global warming. Question 19. Mention the 3 precautions for the safety from coronavirus. Question number 20. Mention the 3 non-renewable energy sources. Question 21. What is the full form of WHO? नेक्स्ट पेपर है हमारे पास में जुलाई 2021 का. इसका सेक्शन ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय एनवायरनमेंट? डिस्कस नेचुरल एंड मैन मेड एनवायरनमेंट इन डिटेल. और define ecosystem. What are its various components and types? Discuss in detail. Question number 2. What are the energy resources? Classify the energy resources. How can we conserve energy resources and use alternate energy resources? Or what do you understand by environmental pollution? What precautive measures have been adopted at national level to check environmental pollution? Question number 3. What are the forest resources? What are the causes of deforestation? How can we conserve the forests? Or why there is urgent need of water management? Describe in detail about the watershed management and rainwater harvesting. Next आता है section B. Question number 4. What are the causes of ozone layer depletion? Question 5. What are the main causes of air pollution? Question 6. What do you understand by flood web? 7. What should be the role and responsibility of schools and teachers in environment education? Question 8. What are the causes of environmental hazards? Question 9. What are sources of noise pollution? Question 10. What do you understand by thermal pollution and radioactive pollution? Question 11. What are the adverse effects of acid rain? Next, section C. Question number 12. Name the gases responsible for greenhouse effect. Question 13. Who initiated Chipko movement and why? Question 14. In which country India Summit 1992 was organized? Question 15. In which state of India Dudhwa National Park is situated? Question 16. Name 2 soil pollutants. Question 17. When is World Environment Day observed? Question 18. What is the full form of UNEP? Question 19. In which year Earth Summit was organized in Johannesburg? Question 20. What is the main objective of Earth Scan? Question 21. What is World Water Day celebrated? नेक्स्ट पेपर हमारे पास आता है सितंबर 2020 का. सेक्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Explain the term man and his environment. Describe structure, function and components of ecosystem. Or discuss the meaning, causes and effects of greenhouse effect. Question number 2. Describe the features of environmental awareness through environmental education for secondary school students. Or why is India considered as a mega diversity nation? Explain. Question number 3. What are the main sources of water? What are the causes of increasing scarcity of water? Give suggestions for proper use of water. Or what are the various efforts carried out by Ministry of Forest and Environment, Government of India for conservation of environment? Next आता है section B. Question number 4. Explain ozone layer depletion in brief. Question 5. What do you understand by environmental ethics and values? Question 6. Mention effect of mining on man and environment. Question 7. Explain food webs in brief. Question 8. What is waterlogging and salinity? Question 9. Give the significance of conservation of biodiversity. Question 10. What are the causes of water pollution? Question 11. What are the causes and effects of thermal pollution? फिर है section C. Question number 12. Who has coined the term ecosystem? Question 13. What is the full form of WWF? Question 14. Write 2 renewable sources of energy. Question 15. Valley of Flower is situated in which state? Question 16. The World Environment Day is celebrated on dash. Question 17. Which gas is the main cause of greenhouse effect? Question 18. Ran of Kutch is famous for which animal? Question 19. ONGC stands for dash. Question number 20. In which year Project Tiger was started? Question 21. National park related to conservation of rhinoceros is dash. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. होप आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेशनल रही हो. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप लोग लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.